Hello guys, in this video today I'll be showing you how to do your resection on the ground using two reference stations on the wall. Yeah, this is my Leica MS60 total station. I'll be using this today. So we'll go to setup and click on resection. Okay, click on date time. Date number will be used as your point ID. Select the folder where you have your stations and click OK. Select the point ID, or you can just type it in. For this one I'll be using 1085. I'll be bisecting this target first, and then make sure the red laser is on. Mine is on now. I'll turn it off and you can see how to turn it on. So I'll click on that icon up there to turn it off and then turn it on again. Off, and I'm turning it on now. Yeah, so make sure you bisect, or make sure the prism light, the laser light, is pretty close to the target, very close to the reflector, like the prism, and then you can lock on the instrument laser to the prism. So this is me bringing it very close to the prism, and then you click on search and lock. That icon brings up the search and lock. Click on it, searches for the prism and it locks onto it, and then you make sure the instrument is leveled. Click on level bubble. I usually make sure it comes at least to 5 seconds. Helps you to keep your data or your accuracy in check. And then click OK. Yeah, then click on measure. Point has been stored. Then target lock off. To turn off the lock, turn on your red laser lights again and bisect the second prism. For you should know that for resection you need at least 2 reference stations. I'll do the same thing here. Search for the prism and lock onto it. Ensure my instrument is leveled. I'll use the leveling screws to adjust until it's below 5 seconds. Yeah, then click on OK. Yeah, click on measure. And then point has been stored. This will pop up. Click OK, and then you click on calculate to see the quality. Click on quality here. Yeah, there you go. I have 26 seconds. Click on set if you're okay with the accuracy, right? I make sure it's below 1 minute at least. And that is how you do your resection.